What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video we are dealing with determining precipitation conditions. So we need to figure out if precipitate forms or not. So it says a solution is prepared by adding 750 milliliter of 4 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar cerium nitrate to 300 milliliter of 2 times 10 to the power of negative 2 molar potassium iodate. Will cerium iodate KSP 1.9 times 10 to the power of negative 10 precipitate from this solution? So first of all, we need to find out the initial concentration of cerium and initial concentration of iodate. Cerium is 3 plus in this case. Initial concentration is going to be 750 milliliter times 4 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar, which is going to be mole per liter or millimole per milliliter. Since this one is milliliter, I'm going to keep it as millimole per milliliter. So 4.00 times 10 to the power of negative 3 millimole per milliliter. This one is milliliter too. Divided by, since these two volumes are mixed, the total volume is going to be 750 plus 300 ml. So that's going to make it as 2.86 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar. We do the same thing for initial concentration of iodate. Iodate is going to be 300 milliliter multiplied by the concentration is 2.00 times 10 to the power of negative 2 millimole per milliliter, divided by again the total volume, which is 750 plus 300 milliliter. So that will be 5.71 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar. Now we have the initial concentration of cerium and iodate. We need to have the expression for ion product. Q equals to initial concentration of cerium times initial concentration of iodate to the power of 3. That's going to be cerium concentration, which is 2.86 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times 5.71 times 10 to the power of negative 3 to the power of 3. That's going to be 5.32 times 10 to the power of negative 10. Now you need to consider and compare the value of Q with the value of KSP. So we here KSP we have 1.9 times 10 to the power of negative 10. Q is 5.32 times 10 to the power of negative 10. So Q is greater than KSP, so it passed KSP. It means that cerium iodate will precipitate from the mixed solution. That's how we figure out if we have precipitate or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.